next complex reversal pattern we are going to study is called the piercing line, which is a bullish reversal pattern formed by two candles. This is a subtler pattern than the engulfing patterns we just studied because it involves the perception of a gap between the close of the first candle and the open of the second candle. In a piercing line, the first candle is a bearish candle, and the second candle is a bullish candle that opens with a gap down. We have to be careful here because a gap down denotes selling power. However, the buying power in the second candle overcomes the selling power that creates the gap down. Beyond that, and this is why the pattern receives its name, the second candle is able to pierce the line created by the closing of the first candle, hence the name piercing line. This is a bullish reversal pattern because buyers are able to fill the gap between the two candles, and they are also capable of piercing the line created by the closing value of the first candle. The reason we care about this line created by the closing value of the first candle is because it represents the price where sellers won the battle in the first candle, so it's an important level. When buyers are able to close the gap and pierce or violate that line, we have an indication that buying power is greater than selling power. The piercing line appears when the price is going down in order to signal a reversal to the upside. The next pattern is the precise opposite of the piercing line, and it's called the dark cloud. In other words, a complex bearish reversal pattern composed by two candles. The second candle opens with a gap up, implying some buying power, but the second candle closes with a significant bearish quality that not only closes the gap created by buyers, but also pierces the line created by the closing value of the first candle. Even though the name dark cloud has nothing to do with piercing line, the two patterns are mirror images of each other. The name dark cloud comes from the analogy that the second bearish candle covers the first candle in part, just like a dark cloud sometimes covers the sun. It's an analogy that makes it easier to remember the pattern. The dark cloud will appear when price is going up to signal a reversal to the downside. The next two complex reversal patterns we are going to study are similar to the piercing line and the dark cloud, but they are slightly weaker signals in a way. I have a ton of free content on my YouTube channel. You can find some basic information and some advanced stuff as well. If you like the material I produce, please click the like button, subscribing to the channel, activating the notifications button, sharing the video, and leaving your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.